This is our beam profiler demonstration setup to show how our standard beam profilers work. Developed by WOE, this system samples laser spots continuously, perfect for production, maintenance, and everyday laser work. The beam profiler also plays a key role in optical device quality inspection, laser cavity mirror adjustment, external optical path alignment, and fiber alignment coupling analysis. Standard beam profilers cover 340 to 1100 nanometers, from nanowatts to 1 watt. Compact, easy to use with manual or automatic exposure and gain. The system offers a wide spectral response, pixel size as low as 1.67 micrometers, and interface options including high-speed USB 3.0 or Gig-E. The accompanying Lasoscope NX software delivers precise laser spot size, position, and shape analysis. From lasers to communications to biotech, the WOE beam profiler delivers reliable performance.